If you're planning a trip, you've probably asked yourself this question. Do I really need a travel agent, or can I just book everything online? Here's the thing. Both options can work. The smart choice depends on the kind of trip you're taking and the kind of traveler you are. Let's break it down. First, the advantages of using a travel agency. The biggest one is expertise. A good travel agent has already made the mistakes, so you don't have to. They know which hotels look great online but disappoint in real life. They know which flight connections are risky and which destinations require extra paperwork or visas. Another major advantage is time. Planning a complex trip can take hours or even weeks. A travel agent does that work for you. Flights, hotels, transfers, tours, insurance, all handled in one place. Then there's support when things go wrong. Flights get canceled. Weather changes plans. Borders close. When you book alone, you're stuck calling customer service. When you book with an agent, you have a real human fixing the problem while you focus on enjoying your trip. And yes, sometimes agents save you money. Not always, but often. Agencies can access bulk rates, promotions, or added perks like free upgrades, breakfast, or resort credits that you won't see online. Now let's talk about the disadvantages. The biggest downside is flexibility. If you love controlling every tiny detail, booking everything yourself might feel better. Some travelers enjoy that process. Another downside is cost perception. People assume travel agents are expensive. While many don't charge fees or earn commission from suppliers, some do charge planning fees. For very simple trips, that fee may not feel worth it. And not all travel agents are equal. A bad agent can be worse than no agent. Experience, communication, and specialization matter a lot. So when is using a travel agency a really good idea? If your trip is complex. Multiple destinations, international flights, cruises, group travel, honeymoons, destination weddings, or travel with kids or seniors. If you're traveling somewhere unfamiliar or far away, different language, different rules, different risks. And if your time is valuable, if you'd rather spend your evenings excited about your trip instead of comparing tabs on your browser. Now, when might it not be necessary? If the trip is simple and short. A domestic weekend getaway or a one-night hotel stay you already know well. If you genuinely enjoy planning every detail yourself. For some people, that's part of the fun. And if budget is extremely tight and the trip is straightforward, in that case, DIY booking can make sense. So what this really means is this. Travel agents aren't outdated. They're selective tools. For simple trips, booking yourself can work just fine. For meaningful, expensive, or complicated trips, a travel agency can save you time, stress, and sometimes a lot of money. Travel should feel exciting, not overwhelming. The right planning method makes all the difference. If you're planning a trip and want guidance, options, or just honest advice, reach out to us. Call us or visit our website and we'll help you figure out the best way to travel without the stress. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe. That's how more travelers find us and how we keep sharing useful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.